Welcome students. In this video, we are going to learn how to read from and write to files in C programming. Let's start with the writing to the files. The fprintf function allows us to write formatted text to the file just like printf does for the console. Now I will show you how you can write to a text file. First, create a file pointer for this purpose. So type the file in capital and then create the pointer. There is a star in front of pointer name. Name this file pointer and open the file in write mode. File pointer is equal to fopen. This fopen method is used to open the file. Then give this the name of the file data.txt and then give the mode in which you want to open the file. W is for write mode and R is for read mode. This time I am opening this file in write mode. If the file does not exist, this program will create a data.txt file. Once you have opened the file, you must close the file. For this, use the fclose method and type the name of the pointer in this method. Let's write data to this data.txt file. So fprintf, first type the name of the pointer, file pointer. Then type the formatted string you want to write in this file. Type name %s and after this print a new line. And in place of %s, print your name, write your name. In my case, my name is Asif. And at the end of line, type the semicolon. After writing the name to the file, write age, file pointer, age, %d, 22 years. Similarly, you can write your GPA, fprintf, file pointer, GPA, %f, %2f. It will display the GPA, write the GPA up to 2 decimal places. 3.8. A data.txt file in the folder. Open the file and you can see the data name is Asif, age 22 years and GPA 3.80 is written to the file. Here add the new line after age and run the program again. and again check the file. You can see the text in the file is updated. Name Asif A22 and GPA 3.8. Now let's learn about reading text from files. Fget function is used to read from files. First open the file in read mode. So set file pointer is equal fopen data.txt file in read mode. The fget functions read a line of text from a file. It is useful for processing data line by line. Let's see how to read from a file using fgets method. After you have opened a file in read mode, create an array of characters. Name this line as fgets read data line by line, and there are 255 characters on a line. Now use the fgets method. Fgets and give this three arguments. First argument is where it will store the data. Line is an array I have declared above this line. This fgets will read data from the file and will store in the line array. Second argument is the length of text that it will read from the file. As there are 255 characters on a line, so it will read 255 up to 255 characters. And the third argument is from which file it will read the data. So I have opened the file in file pointer, give this file pointer. Now it will read the first line from the file. Let's run the program. First, we can print the data read from the file. Printf first line is first line of file is %s %s and give this the line array. Let's run the program. There is an error, semicolon is missing at the end of line. Now run again. And you can see it displayed first line of file is name Asif. Similarly, you can read the second line. At the first time it will read the first line, and when you use this the second time it will read the second line. When use the third time it will read the third line, and up to so on. You can use printf. The second line is percent s line. Now first it will print the first line and then it will print the second line. Let's run the program and see it displayed. The first line is of file is name Asif, second line is age 22 years. And that is how you can read from and write to files in C programming using printf, printf and fgets functions. File handling is a vital skill that allows you to create more dynamic and useful programs. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also share with your programming fellows. If you have any question, ask below in the comment section. I will be happy to answer them. Thank you.